Hello everybody. I hope you took some profit in my last after my last video because yeah, it was clearly the top. So this Binance Oscillator script really performed well again. So we got into the red zone, and now we're coming back out of it. So everybody was calling for this triangle formation, and that we were breaking out, and that we were going to 80k. Whatever. What I was looking was again some impulse. So we got our first down one, then up, down, and then I was expecting some Fibonacci compression where it would go like this and then finally go down. But this didn't happen, and what happened instead is that let me take another tool and delete this little dot. Horizontal ray, and so low, your high, and then your second low. So this is the one I was looking at. This high, we did get above it, and I got stopped out here. But then I immediately after entered the trade again because it was we got clearly rejected. We couldn't hold this high. We rejected, and then from then on it was all the way down. So yeah, the short position here was the best one to take. It was just taking out the liquidity above these highs, and that was enough to reverse the trend. So yeah, where can we go to? So the next logical level would be around here. This is like what, between 50 and 52k. Also volume wise, there's a little bit of volume there, which makes sense since we were trading for several days in this region. So yeah, that's a short term. Let's see on the 1 hour time frame. So Bitcoin, we got the top over here, then we got this first sell-off, and there the algo already decided to go short, and currently it's still in a short position. For Ethereum, it's a bit different. We got the top, and then like halfway the dump, it started to short, but then it decided on the 9th of April to go long again, but this was wrong, of course, and now we're back into a short position. Then Bitcoin, let's have a look, but we should be out of all trades. Let's hide this one. So the ATR trailing stop. Yeah, this was a bit, and this is typical for this algo. So here, when you start ranging, that's where you start to lose money. It really depends on high trending markets. So when you get those kind of buying and selling day after day, then you know, okay, you're in a ranging market. So, but yeah, you have to accept it, and then you will be prepared into the correct trend when it finally forms. So we got the final sell signal here on the 12th of April, and it looks like we're going for continuation. Then for the turtle strategy, this one, we got the exit signal over here. This was the 17th of March, and since then we didn't get any entry. I explained this the last time, those fake signals. So that means that in theory you would enter here, but since you made profit on the last trade, it will prevent you from getting in. And that's quite good because here we got the exit signal again. So if we would have taken this one, it would be a loss anyway. So this one locked in some very nice profits. Then let's have a look at Ethereum. So also here, the ATR trailing stop. Here we got a sell signal at the bottom, unfortunately, on the 19th of March, and we're just a bit below. But all this choppiness from the past weeks, we could easily overcome it because the trigger line was way above, so we didn't get stopped out there. And then for the turtle strategy, this one also got out much later on the 13th of April. But still there's some, let's see how much we could lock in. So if you would take the last trade, this was almost 6.5%, so plus the little extras you have from the previous entries. No, that's not the one that I'm looking for. So then Solana also here, finally we could lock in some profits. Unfortunately on quite a big dump. How much? Minus 11%. So from the buy signal till the sell signal, it's a 43%. So, and if you would have sold on the top, which of course nobody does, would have given you 88%. So we could lock in 50% of the potential profit. So I'm very pleased with this trade. Then we have XLM, which is, yeah, this one closed with a short loss. So you can see here, we got in around here and then exit a bit lower. Unfortunate, but currently in a short position. XRP, also the same over here. Exit signal out of the trade. So we got also a bit of choppiness over here. Buying, exit, buy, exit, buy, exit. And then a new one is this one with the super trend strategy for Gala. So I dumped this fair value gap trading because the stop losses, they were not clearly defined, so I didn't really like it. This one is doing much better. So with this one, got in around here. If you follow me on the Bybit copy trade, then you're also in this trade. So currently already 33% of profit. Then the precious metals. So let's see, gold, of course, doing very well. At this moment, this is my best performing one together with silver. So here we got all those buy entries and we did go all the way up. So silver, as I mentioned before, this bull flag, we got the entries here when we broke out from this bull flag, which is a pure coincidence, of course. And yeah, now we're going up. So now we're leaving all those volume weighted average price lines below us. So that's a clearly bullish trend. Then the stock market, also here. Oh no, not yet out of the trade. So we've been buying over here and currently we're still above it, so still in profit. So definitely take profits here as well, because here I've marked out this yellow, which was the all-time high of the 1st of March. You could see close above. Sorry, could not close above. We could close here, but the next day you drop. Then close above again, and then could not take out this high. Well, we did take it out, but we could not close above. And then slowly but surely coming back below the yellow line and still failing. Also here on the 11th of April, we could just close above, but then the next day we did come back again. So here I am short. This is not an algo trade, but this is just me personally trading. Euro USD. Also here back into a short position. There was also a bit of choppiness over here. Long entry, but I had to close out with a loss. Crude oil, I'm currently also still in this trade. So we got the long entries over here and now in a small profit. And then copper. Copper also doing very nice. We got in over here. So this is 13th of March, and since then buy. So this is also looking very bullish. And then yeah, the stock market. So Apple. Okay, we got an entry signal over here, but clearly the top is in for Apple. Adobe. Also exit signal, nothing here. Amazon still doing fine. So we still got in and no exit signal. So Alibaba, I believe I've seen there were some entries. Oh no, we got the exit signal again a few days ago. So also very choppy for the moment. So not much going on here. Well, Disney reached the top, got out. Alphabet still in the trade. MasterCard got an exit signal. McDonald's also the top is clearly in, and now some attempts to buy at this level. We will see how it works out, but overall I'm not too bullish on the stock market, except for the miners. But for the algo trades here, I don't see much bullishness. Meta still in the trade. Microsoft, oof, minus 2% yesterday, so that was also the exit signal. Nike, nothing special. Nvidia also got the exit signal. Looks like a double top formation here. That also does not look good. Palantir, well, nothing to mention here. Also down, down, down. Same with Tesla. Let's move this one a bit down. We did try to enter here, exit with a loss, enter here, exit with a loss. Yeah, Nasdaq we just discussed, and then for the S&P we just get exactly the same. There we got the exit signal yesterday. So yeah, that's it. In general, not much positivity in the market, I would say, except gold and silver, but they start to reject as well. So maybe we can also expect some corrections over here. So yeah, really be careful for the moment. We might get some serious dumps. And then for the Bybit copy trading. So let's see, we started with $1,000, now at 2,661. So the maximum reach was, if I am correct, just a bit above 3,000. So after all, this is still doing fine. So here's the Gala trade I was talking about. So for the moment, plus $153. Solana, and this one is still long. That's interesting. Let's see, Solana. Yeah, this one should be short. Okay, probably again a bug I have to fix. I'm sorry for that. I'll fix it in the coming minutes. All right, okay, that's it for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.